You guys, welcome to the video and welcome to our new apartment. I'm so excited. I literally just walked in. I'm pumped. This is gonna be my new recording room and we have like more closet space. Hey yo. Wow. So you guys know we're on the second floor of our current place, or I guess our old place, and the new apartment is on the third floor, which I really like because we don't have to worry about having anyone above us making noise, whatever, but there's no elevator. So I have to take everything downstairs from the place we used to live and everything up 2 flights of stairs at our new place. This is gonna be a long day. It's beautiful though. I went to Lifetime, not to work out, just to get my frozen mocha smoothie. So I have some food in my belly, but the amount of stairs I'm doing today, it's gonna be a long day. Just got back from making my second trip, so I brought back like a bunch of toilet paper for obvious reasons, and got some towels now. This is the second bathroom, and then I'll give you guys like a better tour once we have it actually like pretty, you know, furnished and finished. But this is the master bath, so we have double sink or double vanity. Love that. But yeah, and then I brought paper towels back and like just a bunch of random stuff until Chris can help me bring the heavier stuff like the furniture. All day, and we just got this place called Rebel. It's new around here, and it's like a, well, I'll show you guys once I take the cover off. We all got the same thing, but it's like a build your own bowl Chipotle style, but they have blueberry guac. What? Good morning. It is the next day. Chris and I were moving until like 11 or 11:30 last night. I don't think we went to bed until 12:30. I had to shower because I was so sticky and disgusting. I'm already sweaty because I like, I took all of the drawers out of my big dresser in our bedroom, and that was like the last thing I brought over last night, but I'm like, I don't need to carry all these up right now, so I just left them in my car. And I woke up this morning to change, and I'm like, oh, I guess I kind of need those. So at 7:30, I'm like going up and down the stairs trying to be quiet because if anyone was still sleeping. We live in like, it's kind of like a, what's it called? Dorm style. Like you have to go in a door and then there's a bunch of apartments and then you get to ours from there. Third floor. I've already told you guys that multiple times. So yeah, I've already started moving stuff today. I'm gonna head back to our apartment, Chris forgot his belts there, so he wasn't too happy about that. I can't remember the last time I've worn a belt. Like, probably 10 years ago? I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna go run and do that. We have to get a kitty tower today. We have to go grocery shopping. We have to move the bed, like the bed frame, so the headboard, footboard, the dresser. I told you guys we don't get our Wi-Fi until the 29th, so eventually we need to move the TV stand and the TV, but right now it's like we can't even use it, so it's not a necessity. And I need to get the end tables, or like the nightstands. Basically the rest of our bedroom stuff. We did bring over the couch last night, and the mattress and box spring so we could sleep. Alright, let's get going. Ooh, barely made it. All right. about how empty this place is looking. So yesterday night, Chris took the cats over. I brought all of this out from the bedroom, these out from the bedroom. So basically everything we need to take is still right here. I think I'm gonna leave my chair, desk, and computer here until we get Wi-Fi, because I'm just gonna have to be working in here. But like, I'm gonna take my laptop and all this little stuff in that chair. Much later in the day, I totally forgot I had to train 2 of my clients this morning. Thankfully, one, I am close to them, so it didn't take me long to get there, and they're very understanding. They knew what I was doing, so it was just confusion. But after I got done training them, I ran around. I've been trying to look for rugs, and I took some pictures of some, and then Chris is gonna meet me at World Market so we can look around, see what he likes, and then maybe get some stuff. But because he's coming here on his lunch break, I told him I'd pick up food. So we got some Chick-fil-A. I've been trying to eat really, really well. I was gonna get a grilled chicken sandwich, and then I was like, no, I want the spicy chicken, but I just won't get fries. So I got a salad on the side. This is a very sad salad, but that's fine. So I did get the spicy chicken. These fries are falling out everywhere. Chris got fries, not me. I did snag one though, because wow, are they good. It out. This is like by far the hardest thing to move, and we did it. And I bought a little kitty tower today. So next day we have most of our place put together. I don't think I've shown you guys yet, but we need to look for rugs still and just like a bunch of little stuff. So we came to At Home, huge department store. So yeah, we'll see what we can find. I was here yesterday, but I want him to look at stuff, and I didn't buy anything. I just was here to look, so I could like compare prices and what they had, because we want nice stuff, but we're also not trying to spend arm and a leg, because whatever we get is not going to be permanent, obviously. But let's cut it. This is the rug. We ended up getting it At Home. I'm super happy with it. It was only what, $129, which Chris and I were talking about. Rugs can get super expensive, which I'm sure some of you know. Yeah, so I'm super pumped. We're probably gonna rotate this couch. So yeah, it's gonna go in the living room area, and then eventually we're still looking for like a little kitchen table. And I'll probably get another rug to go underneath the table, but now it's gonna go up there. I bought a couch for my office. Before you know it, shame will leave ya. No trace, no note, you'll never see ya. You ask you what you did and how to fix it. You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The search for pain is close to an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. Size. And then I think I want to get the picture would look really good right there. Yeah. I have a picture already picked out that I think I want for here. I think my desk will go in the corner. So then this would be like try on area. Maybe Chris's desk right here.
Or you can honestly put it right here.
Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. What do you think?
It's Great natural light.
I know. Well, during the day.
Okay.
The first night we were in here, we were like, both going this. I'm like, huh, that's weird. The lights are working in the whole rest of the apartment, and there's no light in here or in our room. Our room doesn't matter because we have like little lamps, but we have to get floor lamps for the living room, I think. And I'll probably get one for in here as well. Honestly, that one from Target, that like gold that comes up and over,
Yeah.
might be good right there. What are you doing? You so happy?
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me.
It's the next morning, as I'm sure you guys can tell. The couch is looking super good. We got my desk and the computer here. I still have, obviously, quite a bunch of stuff to get, like stuff that we didn't already have. I'm gonna decorate this room all cute and pretty. I'm so excited. I know exactly the picture. I want to go right here. It's at World Market where I got the couch. I just have to go back and get it today. The amount that Chris and I have, like, we drove all over Columbus yesterday and I was gonna go back and get it last night and I'm like, oh, you know what, I'm tired, no. And then Logan, for some reason, has been like not sleeping at night and he just wants to wake me up. Chris is a pretty heavy sleeper, I am not. And so I was up like all night. It's actually 2:11 right now. I got up at like 7:30 or 8 and started working on programs and getting those sent out. And then Chris and I sat on the couch for a little bit and fell asleep, and that was like much needed because I've probably gotten like a solid 3 or 4 hours of sleep the past 3 nights. So anyway, my mom's gonna come over and see the place. I'm gonna get that picture. Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, cool with being home from 9 to 11 on Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Well then it's a done deal.
Cool.
Awesome.
When you're at the, I'll send you a text, but can you remember? I told you guys, but at the beginning of the video, I'm so thrown off. I have no idea. We weren't supposed to be getting our Wi-Fi until like 2 weeks after moving in, which would suck because I work from home. So Chris has been going on to the website and like trying to see if any new appointments open up, and we just found out that we got approved for one, or that like it's confirmed that our appointment got moved to Tuesday, 2 more days away. So that's exciting. I can actually work from home. Cool. Anyway, my mom's gonna come over. I'm gonna get some work done, and then we're probably gonna go get that picture, maybe start hanging some stuff. I'm not sure. I haven't worked out. If I don't work out today, it will be day 4, which I don't really care because one, I've been eating pretty well and I've been extremely active, so I honestly might just rest today and then start strong next week. Start with Monday would be shoulders. And if I do anything today, it would just be like maybe a little HIIT workout or just like a 10-minute ab workout or something like that. We'll see, because I'm a little tired and I'm like congested. I have never had allergies before and I don't know what's going on. All right, see you guys in a little bit, either for a workout, aka a little ab circuit, or once I get some artwork on the walls. This is the picture I was explaining to you guys. I've wanted this for quite a while and it'll fit beautifully. And we got some pillows.
But well, if you're gonna put a plant over there,
That's what I mean, it's
yeah,
probably good?
yeah.
Okay, then here. is going to be it for the video. It was probably a little all over the place. I tried to record as much as possible, but how many trips do you think we made to stores this weekend?
I went to the World Market like 4 times.
And Target like 4 times. And Best Buy. We were just driving around like crazy, and then because we had to borrow my dad's truck to move like the bed and a bunch of other stuff, we were constantly just running around town. So yeah, I didn't really, it was hard to record and move at the same time, obviously. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There will be, I think I might do a video over kind of, not necessarily an apartment tour, but just kind of talking about where I got things, because I've been getting a lot of questions about like how I decorate, I guess, stuff like that. I don't know. I'll look back through my DMs and figure out what you guys were most interested in, and then probably do a video over that. I'm super happy with how this turned out. I think it's adorable. I still have to get a light bulb for that lamp. And this mirror, like my big mirror, isn't gonna stay here. I'm not quite sure where it's gonna go. I do kind of like it there, but the lighting is just horrible, and I take a lot of selfies in the mirror when I don't have like Chris around to help me take a picture for a thumbnail or a post or whatever, and the lighting is just not great. Like the way this is positioned, it needs to be, you know, I need to have light hitting me directly. So anyway, still have a lot to figure out. I have to order more rugs, so I'll take you guys along the whole process, but at least the bulk of the move is behind us and we can sit and enjoy and relax. We just got that Rebel place again. I'll insert a picture because I realized I didn't show you that last time when I said I was going to. It's so good. The blueberry guac is like phenomenal. And then we went to Kilwin's after, this little ice cream place, and got ice cream. It wasn't like healthy ice cream. It was like 400 calories, this like cappuccino. I love coffee ice cream. It was this like cappuccino chocolate crunch something, I don't know. It was really good. So treated myself tonight because we've been working our butts off. Like I said, I haven't worked out in the past couple days. Today was the 4th day, but between the stairs and carrying everything up. What are you doing? Between going up the stairs, carrying everything up, all of that, like I definitely was plenty active. So we will get back to our routine in the morning, get back to eating healthy again, like following macros or whatever, relatively. So yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification, and get used to seeing a lot of this room.